Today I want to get started with this centre island and start making the carcasses and such for the bench system, which obviously is going to be a series of carcasses with drawers, cupboards, whatever, in levelled up and then the top put over it. But then I realised before I do that, with this dust extractor system that I've put in, blast gates are going to be buried within the cupboard and very difficult to get to. Initially I thought, because I've got them both here, I would put along here some sort of pulley mechanism to pull them in and out. With this one for the router, why not? I like everything to be where the machine is and where the controls are, so that you're not moving around when you're operating. Switch it on, open the blast gate, turn it off, close the blast gate, all without moving around. However, so the saw table, I'm operating here, I've got the controls here, the blast gate's around there. It's just not convenient. You've got a big piece of wood in your hands to go on here, you turn it on, you want to be able to operate it here. So, this all has to be rethought out. And here's my idea. There is the blast gate. I've already attached a bar to it here, so that I can move it up and down from the front of the machine, where the rest of the controls are. So that idea will work, but now what I need is some kind of, I don't know, say, foot pedal. Some, I don't know, metal construction of some sort, so I've got something pedally tight I can put my foot on, lock it off. So that's what I want to get on with now. Okay, the idea is that that will sit on the floor against the bench. The bar will come through there, which should be the pivot point for it. And then this one I'm going to mount to the bar. And that will be my foot pedal. Now I want to make that a nice shape. Piece will sit there, like so. Fits quite nicely. And that one will sit on there, which will be my pedal. Simple as that. And now we just attach that plate onto there. Now, just a method to hold it down, which I've thought of various different ways, but nothing, there's too much movement in this to have any catches. So I think just something in there will do for now, until something turns up that is better. The point to note here really though is that that is the closed position. That's the open position. So it'll be spending most of its life like that. When I need to use the saw, get that out. When I finish using the saw, I'll put it back in again. Yeah, it's not a difficult thing to do. there's my blast gate. That's the point in question. Now, all I need to do really is just add something to bring it backwards and forwards here. So that when I've got all this box in, I'm not having to reach in there to get to it. It's here. Simple and easy. What to do with? Okay, I'll go have a look, see what I've got and what I want to use. Okay, so what I've come up with, first I need to come away from the wall a bit, because that is quite a bit away. Then, onto there, I'm going to have two of these. One at the bottom and one at the top. In there, I'll then have one of these. It will actually slide quite nicely. Backwards and forwards. I'll put a little stopper on there. Slide it backwards and forwards. Job will be good. Okay, so I'll just get all this cleaned up. Get these sorted out. I want to get these drilled and screwed to there. And sand off the edges. And put a handle onto there. Then I will just drill through there and put a long screw through. What else do you need? Right, so all the pieces ready now. I've drilled a hole in the flap there already and put a long thin screw in. It's good solid ply that it's going to be screwed into, so unless I start really swinging on it, it's not going to come out. It'll be fine. So, first thing I want to do is screw these onto the face plate. Right, simple way, put it in, put them both in, set the front level, but make sure they're both touching, like that. Okay, nice and slow, and this up, just straight, that's all it needs to be, just straight. You want to get your spirit level out, you can do, I'm not going to bother. And set them under the surface. Now the next screws are long enough to go through both. And so I just want to make sure that's going to be lined up with that. Bring it to the front, make it tidy, make it look like one piece. Well, we'll have to do a lot of messing around trying to get that screw in. I finally managed it, and there we have it. So I can just reach in there, pop it out, pop it shut in. I'll do a while then off later, just to get it to handle it. And that's it. Simple. Closed. No problem. Closed. Okay, that's it. Another project done, or another bit of a project done. Now I can get on with the centre island.